Hey guys, Chef Jason, Race Hardware Grilling Expert. Today, we are doing something pretty solid. That's right, we're baking sweet potatoes on my Weber Genesis Smart Grill. Talk about smart, talk about tasty, and absolutely delicious. We're even gonna use potato nails, so I'm pretty confident we are going to nail this recipe today. Hey, like we always say, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe to the Ace Hardware YouTube channel, and then hey, like, comment, and share. If you love this video, share it with your friends because we enjoy being a part of your YouTube community. Now, that little eye that pops up, that's our info station. So if you click on that eye, I'm gonna take you on a shopping trip through your local Ace Hardware to help you find all the gear, gadgets, and grills. So without further ado, let us get cooking and show you an amazing loaded praline baked sweet potato. Loading these potatoes today is going to be all about flavor. So we've got some pralined pecans, absolutely amazing. Then we're going to use some salted butter, which is going to be fantastic. Then check it out, some whipped cream because that's going to melt in there, giving them just this creamy, delicious finish. Then check it out. We tried to pick 4 of the close to the same size potatoes as we could. And then you guys, look at here. We're going to put in our Weber potato nails, which are going to help us speed up cook time a little bit, but they're really going to get these guys to that perfect internal temperature we're looking for. And then seasoning things off today, you've got a couple decisions to make. Bayou Dust is going to give you a nice little Cajun profile to go with that sweet, or Rub-A-Dub's going to give you that great overall. Then we'll hit them with a little olive oil, make it all stick. We turn the gas on. We've got the grill all clean. Let's go ahead, hit ignite. And we are set to go. Cooking temperature today is going to be 400 degrees, but check it out. We're going to be cooking these potatoes right back here in the collapsible warming rack. Also, what I like to call it, the baked potato rack as well. So we'll go ahead and get these guys set. We'll be ready to go. First things first, we got to get that potato nail in. So I like to get the nails right in the center. Now, the benefit of the nail for me saves me on time. It's about 10% faster, but you guys, I'm looking for a certain internal temperature of around 205 degrees on these sweet potatoes. That nail helps that center pick it up a lot faster, makes them nice and fluffy. So now that we're done, we're going in the bowl and then light oil, as we always say. I just want to coat, I'm just trying to help that rub stick a little bit. We'll get these guys coated like that. And then one glove off so we don't get oil all over our spices. And we're going Bayou Dust. I wanted a little Cajun flair on the outside of these. That way I get kind of that sweet, I get some of that salty, and I get a little bit of Cajun. These guys are all seasoned and ready to go. So the Weber is preheating. We're going to let these guys sit. And then as soon as that Weber hits 400, we will head out there and get these on the grill and bake these sweet potatoes. Hot, preheated, sitting right at 400 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and put these guys up on the collapsible rack in the back. Let these guys go. Beautiful thing is we are indirect. We're going to let these cook. My estimated cook time today is about 50 minutes. We'll come back and start checking temperature. That's right. We're going to temperature check these guys, but we won't do that for probably 45 to 50 minutes. All right, time to check the temp, and as you can see from the flickering LEDs, we're right at 180 degrees. So we're gonna keep cooking these guys until they hit my magic temperature, 205 degrees internal. I'll tell you what, you're gonna thank me because these are gonna come out soft, creamy, absolutely praline delicious. All right, we checked final temperature check right at that 205. I'll tell you what, it's potato magic. I don't care if it's a baked sweet potato or if it's a baked russet potato, it is total magic. So we'll get these guys off. We're gonna go onto this cookie sheet and then I'll meet you in the studio. We're gonna show you how we load this guy up and we're making a loaded praline sweet potato. Time to load these guys. Hey, first thing we're going to do is pull that nail out. Make sure we get all these guys out, and they should release nice and easy, so we're good. Let's go ahead and bring this guy over to the plate. Now, check it out. I'm going to make one nice big cut all the way down, but then, look at. Oh, that is fantastic. Now, I'm going to show you how we load them. We've got that cut. Now, I'm going to hit it with a little bit of Rub-A-Dub. I just want a little bit of seasoning in there as well. And then 1 or 2 pats of butter, you pick. Let those guys start to melt. Oh, look at that. So amazing. And then check it out. A little cinnamon whipped cream. Now, this is going to melt out as well and be absolutely perfect. And then, look at that. Some praline pecans on top. You guys, this is the side dish of side dishes right there. Well, I'll tell you what, a fantastic and easy recipe for sure. Cook time, about 52 minutes, and then we cooked it to that 205-degree internal temperature. Telling you what, makes it nice and soft in there, nice and squishy. You can mix in that whipped cream, that butter. Oh man, you are set and ready to go for absolute fantastic side dish. Hey, I'm Chef Jason, your Ace Hardware grilling expert. Don't forget to subscribe to the Ace Hardware YouTube channel. And if you like today's video, it is time to like, follow, and share. We love being a part of your cooking community and your YouTube community as well. And hey, share it with your friends and family because we want them to be a part of this as well. Questions and comments, don't forget to, if you have those, leave those down below because we use those questions and comments to really help drive our content, making sure you get the absolute perfect videos you need to be rock stars in the backyard cooking circuit. Then, today's video, absolutely amazing on the Weber. We've got more great Weber content coming up for you as well. At the end, be sure to click on those videos and grab some more of that gear. I'm Chef Jason, your Ace Hardware grilling expert. We look forward to seeing you soon at your local Ace Hardware. Wait, hold on, I'm not done. I got a quality control. Man, I almost forgot the quality control part. Seriously, look at this. It's like butter, whipped cream, sweet potato, pecan. Oh, man. Oh, man.